In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update ShareChat app. By updating ShareChat app, you will fix any issues that might be associated with your app. You'll also be able to get the latest features that comes with the latest version. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to update your app, you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store here and just search for your app, ShareChat, like that. It is just one word, and then run the search. So as you can see, our app is here, but we have an update, meaning I've been using an outdated version of ShareChat status, video, and live sharing app. To update, just tap on update, and this will download the latest version of ShareChat app, then install it on your smartphone. Once this is done, now you can proceed and open the latest version of ShareChat app. So that's how you can update ShareChat app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.